Oh, I'm so sorry. I got you payback. That's why you never mess with a girl like me.
Oh my God, I don't care. I didn't ask. What you mean? I'm gonna pay.
Oh, you want some more of that?
No.
That's what I thought.
I'm sorry.
Anyways, you guys, as I was going to say.
Boys always get payback. Yeah.
That's why you scream like a girl, you little moron.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You better be, before I get this on my face.
I'm gonna go get your brother.